Okay, so the last thing that we're going to talk about, or the last shape we're going to explore, are cylinders. Now, for cylinders, as you can see here, when we cut it open into its net, it actually creates two circles. So we have our base here and our base here, and then this curve, once it's cut out, actually creates a rectangle, okay? Now, in order to find the length of that rectangle, it's going to be the distance around the circle. And we already know what that is, right? That's the circumference. So we could figure this out easily. That's the circumference. And then our height, of course, is going to be the height of the cylinder itself. Okay? So let's go ahead and calculate this. I'll name this A. So we'll have A for the bases and B for the side. So in order to find the area of A, it's going to be pi r squared, which is the formula for a circle. Our radius is 2, so 2 squared is 4, and then we have pi. So now we have 4 multiplied by 3.14, which is going to give us 12.56. So one of these areas is 12.56. Now let's calculate the area of B, all right, which is going to be our body here. As you can see, this is going to be also our lateral surface area. Okay, so the length, which is going to be our circumference, is 2 pi r. And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply it by the height. So 2r, I'm just going to call that the diameter. So diameter times pi times h. So our diameter here is going to be 4. Our height is 10. And we have pi. So this is going to be equal to 40 pi. Okay? So now let's go ahead and calculate that. 40 multiplied by 3.14 is going to give us 125.6. Okay? So keep in mind, this is basically the circumference. We're doing the circumference multiplied by the height in order to get this. Okay, so in order to find our total, it's going to be 2 of our A's plus our area of B. All right, so 2 area of A's plus our area of B. So 2 times our area of A is going to be equal to is 12.56. So 2 times 12.56 plus 125.6. Okay, so I'm going to add all of those together. We're going to be left with 150.72 inches squared. That's going to be the total surface area. Now, keep in mind, we've already calculated the lateral surface area because lateral surface area means everything except for the bases. So we're basically just calculating the sides. And the sides in this case is going to be right here. So these are not taking into consideration. So we just have the area of B, which is already calculated. That's going to be 125.6. So that's going to be equal to, let me just put the units, inches squared, and that's going to be equal to the lateral surface area. Okay, and that's it for this video.